You think you're choosing where to go, but you're not. Every step inside this place was already decided. And the strange part is, you don't feel controlled. You feel free. You walk in just to take a look. No plan, no pressure, just curiosity. But a few minutes later, you're deeper inside, then deeper, then even deeper. And suddenly, you've seen things you didn't plan to see. You've walked paths you didn't choose. And you've spent more time than you expected. This isn't random. This isn't coincidence. This is design. Places like this are not built for convenience. They are built for behavior. Take a place like IKEA. At first glance, it feels simple, organized, almost relaxing. But beneath that calm surface, there's a system, a carefully engineered path, guiding every movement you make. When you enter, you don't see the whole store. You see a direction, a suggestion, a path, and your brain naturally follows it, because humans prefer guidance over uncertainty. It feels easier, more comfortable, more natural. But here's the truth. That is not optional. It just feels like it is. You move forward, and slowly, turning back feels wrong. Breaking the flow feels unnatural. So you continue, room after room, section after section. Everything is connected. Everything flows. Smooth, effortless, but not accidental. Because you're not just walking through a store. You're walking through a story. Each space is designed to make you imagine your life inside it. A living room, a kitchen, a bedroom. It doesn't feel like shopping anymore. It feels like living. And when you feel something, you connect with it emotionally. That connection is what turns curiosity into desire, and desire into action. But it goes deeper. The path is long, intentionally long, because the more you walk, the more you see, the more you sit, the more chances your brain has to say yes, even to things you didn't come for, things you didn't plan to buy. But now, they feel right, they feel necessary. And the deeper you go, the harder it becomes to leave empty-handed. Because now, you've invested something, attention, energy, and leaving without buying anything feels like losing that investment. So you pick something, then something else, and maybe just one more. And suddenly, your quick visit turns into a full purchase. But there's something even more subtle happening. Time distortion. Just like in casinos, this environment quietly removes your sense of time. No windows, no clear exits, no reference points. Your brain loses track. Minutes feel like seconds. Time feels compressed. And before you realize it, you've been there far longer than you think. And by then, you're already deep inside. And leaving is no longer simple, because the exit isn't right behind you. You have to follow the path, the same path, all the way through, which means more exposure, more products, more decisions, more chances to say yes. And here's the most powerful part. You don't feel manipulated. You feel comfortable. You feel guided. You feel in control. But in reality, your decisions are being shaped at every step. Not forced, not obvious, just guided. And that's what makes it powerful. Because the most effective control is the one you don't notice. So the next time you walk into a place like this and find yourself going deeper, staying longer, buying more than you planned. Ask yourself, are you really choosing the path? Or is the path choosing you? You've experienced it. You followed it. You just never questioned it. But now, you see it. But this is just the beginning. The next video will completely change how you see everyday things. Don't miss it.